Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the Pix formula, which is used to approximate the area of random shapes that we normally can't find the area for. So let's start off by explaining how this formula works, because if you have come across it before, you probably only know that it has something to do with dots but nothing else. So let's draw a square with 1 centimeter on every side. Okay, so this is a square. I should probably draw it with straight lines. Okay, so this square has 1 centimeter on every side. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw dots at the corners of the square. Okay, so how far apart are all the dots? The dots are 1 centimeter apart, right? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter every single side. So there are 4 dots, 4 dots on the side, on the perimeter of the shape. 4 dots on the perimeter. Right, the perimeter is the sides around the shape, and the area is what is the area of the shape? Well, area of a square is side times side. 1 times 1 is 1 centimeter squared. Okay, so far there is no confusion. Okay, so let's now expand this square a little bit. So now I'm going to increase it to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so have a look at this shape, and now we want the area of this shape. So because it's still 1 centimeter on every side, by the way, it's always going to be 1 centimeter between all the dots. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots on the perimeter. And what is the area? The area is now 2 squares, 2 centimeter squared. Okay, and now let's make this shape even bigger. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 9 dots, all 1 centimeter apart. Right, this is all 1 centimeter apart from each other. 1 centimeter apart, and I'm going to draw a square around the 9 dots. Okay, so what do I have? I have how many dots on perimeter? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8. And I have 1 dot on the inside. Okay, the perimeter does not count. The dot in the middle is not part of the perimeter. The dot in the middle is on the inside of the shape. And there is 1 dot. Okay, and what is the area of the shape? The area of the shape is, how many squares does it cover? It covers 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. So the area is 4 centimeters squared. Now, if I summarize this information in the table, okay, then I would have dots on the perimeter, and then I would have dots on the inside of the shape, and then I would have the area. And then I look at the 3 shapes that I've drawn. The first shape has 4 dots on the perimeter, 0 dots on the inside, because, you know, inside the shape there are no dots, because all the dots have to be 1 centimeter apart, so there are no dots there. And the area is 1 centimeter squared. Okay, and then I have 6 dots, 0 on the inside, the area is 2. I got 8 dots, 1 on the inside, and the area is 4. Okay, if I keep extending this table, I will get 10, 2, and 6. You can draw that out if you want. And then I will also get, actually that's probably enough for now. So using this information, if I wanted you to come up with a formula, that's going to predict the area based on the number of dots on the inside and the number of dots on the perimeter, how would you formulate that equation? Area equals. How would you calculate the number 4 from the number 8 and number 1? What would you do to these two numbers? Well, you would probably do something like this. You can probably do 8 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 1. This number divided by 2 plus this number minus 1, and that'll give you 4. Right? 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Let's try it with these two numbers. Okay, what's 10 divided by 2? 10 divided by 2 is 5. Plus 2 is 7. Minus 1 is 6. So what is the formula for finding the area? The formula is always area equals b divided by 2 plus I minus 1. Okay, what are the symbols? Okay, b is the number of dots on the perimeter or on the boundary, or however you want to say it. I is the number of dots on the inside. Okay, so that's how you would do it to find the area of any shape. Any shape, you can just use this method to find the area of a shape using the Pix formula. So let's do a practice question. Okay, so I want you to find the area of the shape, Okay, so again, all the dots are 1 centimeters apart. Okay, so what do I have? I have how many dots on the perimeter? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots on perimeter. So what does that tell us? B is 9. And I have I is 1. Okay, so using the Pix formula, area equals I plus B over 2 minus 1. So it's 1 plus 9 over 2 minus 1. 1 plus, what's 9 divided by 2? 4.5 minus 1. So it's just 4.5. The area inside the shape is 4.5 centimeters squared. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.